Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete your Etsy account or how you can delete your Etsy shop. Okay, how you can close your shop, or how you can, if you are just a buyer, I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways. Okay, how you can close your shop or how you can delete your account. If you are a buyer and you want to delete your account, just go to your own account and then click on Etsy in the top left. Then you want to click on your account in the top right. Okay, and then click on account settings, and then you want to scroll down at the very bottom. As you can see here, you can find something like close your account. It says here what happens when you close our account. Your account will be inactive until you reopen it. Your profile shop listing will no longer appear on anywhere on Etsy. Now if you want to remove your shop and everything related to the account, you can do that by clicking here where it says please help us improve by telling us why you are leaving. So you just need to give them a reason, for example, personal reasons, I'm starting a new job or moving to a new town. And then you want to give here the description, which is like, what do you have anything else to tell us, like something like nothing or nothing or something like that. And then click on close account. It will ask you guys for your password. You just need to add here your own password, as you can see here. So this is my password. And then click on close account. That's it. It will take guys 30 minutes, as you can see, to close your account. But if you want to close your shop only, then click the video in the screen. It will show you guys exactly how you can close your shop. That's exactly what you need, guys. Right now, just click the video in the screen and you will be able to close your shop on Etsy. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.